Hi everyone, in this video I will show you automatic car wash experience in Canada. Here I am entering the Circle K car wash. It's an automatic car wash where you can just drive through and the machines will automatically clean your car. Circle K offers 4 car wash programs: Ultimate, Premium, Standard and Budget, and you may choose whatever fits your requirement. And out of those 4, I chose for Premium car wash. Here I am waiting for my turn. Now the car in front of me has gone for washing. That blinking green light means it's a signal for us that now it's our turn and we have to move our car inside. Make sure before going inside all your windows are closed and locked. This is a small machine where you need to swipe your card. Now let us see what all steps are involved in Circle K Premium Car Wash. But before this, if you have not done already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and also check out my other content. So firstly, the machines will pour soap on your car from front to back and on the top of the car. Secondly, the silicone brushes will rotate on both sides and on the top of the car to clean all the dust and kill germs and bacteria from the car. This car wash service is available on other gas stations also and you may check them out. Thirdly, the machines will pour water along with the silicone brushes rotating on both sides and on the top of the car to remove the extra soap. In the fourth and the last step, drying machine will blow hot air on the car and the exit door will open. You will have to move your car very slowly for 1 minute, and after 60 seconds are over, your car will be all washed, dried, clean and shiny. I hope you like this video. If so, then make sure to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel and check out my other content.